Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Kick the Buddy dimension. That's right, guys, and hopefully our buddy does not kick us and we do all the kicking, because I only want to kick the buddy. I do not want to be the buddy that gets kicked, guys. But what you're gonna need to head to this dimension is you're gonna need 10 brown wool. You want to place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're gonna need fair light blue wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your brown wool, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on up, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 brown wool, and then you want to place 1 light blue wool right there, guys, and then jump on down, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 brown wool, and then 2 brown wool in the middle, and then 1 light gray wool on the edge. Now you can go ahead, jump on down, and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic, fantastic frame you have just created. Now you just want to go ahead and light this sucker up with a flint and steel, guys. And after you have done that, you probably want to scroll down and hit that big red subscribe button if you have not already subscribed, so you can stay updated with all my latest and greatest Minecraft videos, guys. But whoa, oh my god, where are we, guys? Is this his house? Oh my gosh, my buddy has a really nice house, guys. If this is his house, well, I mean, if this is his house and I'm technically his buddy, then don't that kind of make it my house too? Because, I mean, whatever's your buddy's is kind of yours. I guess that's how it is, to be honest. But, whoa, look at his yard. He has an absolutely humongous yard, guys, for all of his kids to play, all of his little buddy kids to play. Let's go ahead and take a look in here, guys. And whoa, is this supposed to be his kitchen? Why does he not have no appliances or anything, guys? This is really starting to freak me out, guys, because it don't look like anybody lives inside this house. Let's go ahead and try to head up the staircase. Where is the staircase, guys? How do I get to the 2nd floor in this house? And oh my gosh, whoa, let's head up here, guys. Why is there a bunch of cookies laying out up here? What the heck's going on? Why would you guys even have cookies laying out up here? Now, are you guys good? You guys ain't going to try to kick me or anything, are you? Yeah, I think they're pretty good, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and take all these cookies because I really love cookies, and you kind of look like a cookie. I'm not going to lie, you kind of do. What do you think about my pig? Do you think my pig's fun to hang out with? Would you ever consider him as a buddy? I think he would. I think you would consider him as a buddy, wouldn't you? Yeah, I think he would. So you can just go ahead and kick my pig if you want. Yeah, just go ahead and kick him with those shoes. I mean, I just want to know, what are those? Oh my god, no, he's angry at me. I shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry. I want to be your buddy. I just don't want to be kicked. Oh my god, stop it. Stop it right now. Don't you come at me. If you come at me, bro, I'll come at you. I'll come at you 10 times harder, bro. Like, you don't even know. Don't come at me. Don't come at me. I got a diamond sword and I use it. Oh my gosh. I don't want to really fight him because he just looks so innocent, but I got to, guys, because he's not innocent. He's not innocent at all, guys. Trust me. As soon as you turn around and you bend over even the slightest, you're going to feel a foot. You're definitely going to feel a foot. Let me go ahead and let me just place the TNT all through this guy's house, and let's just blow it up, guys. Let's just blow it up to smithereens. Boom. Oh, we just blew him up. Oh my gosh. Whoa, where did he go? Oh my god, I don't think he died. I didn't see him die. So where's he at? Oh my god, guys, at this point he could be up on the roof. He could still be up on the 2nd floor. He could be right behind me. I doubt that, though. I doubt if he's right behind me. Let's go ahead and build our way up with some TNT and see if we can see him, guys. If he's anywhere, I'm thinking he's on the 2nd floor, guys. He's probably on the 2nd floor. I'm really scared right now because I do not want to be kicked. And like I said, as soon as you turn around and he sees the opportunity, he will kick you. And oh my gosh, you know what? I'm just going to forget it. I am not going to hunt that man down. If he wants to come to me and he wants to try to beat me up, you know what? I'm open for it. You know, we can have a footsie fight if that's what he wants, guys. My foot will definitely connect to his butt if he comes at me. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like and also leave a comment. But most importantly, make sure to scroll down and hit that big red subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all my latest and greatest Minecraft videos. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.